Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The best we ever had, and we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. Running wild, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running
Hello, hi, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Shelly, and we do about wellness, personal growth, lifestyle, anything in here and there about life. Why am I saying that slow? I don't know. Anyway, if you're new here, karibu tena tena na tena na tena na tena, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always hanging out with me. So in the last few okay, in this vlog, it's more of Christmas and stuff. Backstory. I've always loved Christmas, and I come from a family where we celebrate Christmas so much, and Christmas is always a bonding time for us as a family. Either we take a family trip, we make use of it. We make a big deal out of it. But then the last 2 years, last year but one, mostly last year, I really wanted to do something for my own like to start on my personal or my thing about Christmas, or a way to just come up with my own traditions for Christmas. And I didn't manage, which I am glad, because I had one of the best Christmas ever at home with my siblings, and that was the last Christmas we had with our brother. Why is it that he's always talking in every conversation? Because he will always. Anyway, this year I decided that I have to do something for myself, or rather, yes, I'm going to go for Christmas when the time comes. But in the meantime, I want to have the whole Christmas mood at home or at my place, because I've realized life is so fragile and it could end anytime soon. So I have just this year to live Christmas. Next year, it will bring its own blessings. Okay, I don't mean that I'm not going to be alive by next year. Please, God, don't take that. I meant like Christmas is just, it comes once in a year. So if I miss it this time, it's until next year. And I don't know what next year brings. Maybe I'll be married. No, I'm not. Okay, I don't know. But I don't plan on being married. So I'm going to take you through what I got. I got some stuff from China Square, which was really nice because they had so many stuff to select from. And then I got others. I left it that side. I got some others from Pandamat, which I didn't end up liking much because all the stuff that I got from Pandamat were just nothing. Anyway, we'll see. But I don't feel like Pandamat really gave the vibe that I was looking for. For China Square, it had a range, very wide one, like an overwhelming one. Like there is everything. You're even confused on where to go. Actually going to shop at China Square feels like, because I only got to like just the first place. So I'm trying to imagine someone who goes the whole building or goes first place. Like when you're going there, I think you should already know what you want, because if you decide you're going to go through all this stuff to get what you want, it's a bit too much. I don't know, but in a good way, it's a good much in a good way. I also got a Christmas tree. I am happy about this one. I will try decorating some of the stuff that I have gotten, and then I see the outcome. If it's not how I want it, now I will add from there. So I got the stuff in limitation first to see how they turn out, considering that it's my first time doing this. I really hope and pray that it turns out great, but it is going to, however it's going to turn out, I am going to be happy, because this is something I have looked forward to and something I really wanted to do. So I'm going to show you what I got, and then we can pick it from there. Yep. Now that I had already said this is the tree, so there's no need to undo it or remove it. I'll show you when I am setting it up. And then I also got this door thing that I don't know where I intend, either on the inside of my door or somewhere above my TV. I'm not sure, but I really wanted something like this, so I got this. I really don't remember the prices, and I have the receipt here, but I don't know whether mentioning the prices will be worth it. Not that it's not worth it, but I got this. I also got these lights that are in warm and other colors. Got them tested, that's why they are open. I also got this Merry Christmas thing that I don't know where I'm going to set it up, but it's going somewhere. I also got these little two things that you hang around the. I intend to have them somewhere here, I guess. Yeah, that is the plan. And then these ones are just for decor. I don't know. But the guys, first time ever decorating a Christmas tree, first time ever doing this. When I say my family and I celebrate Christmas, for my family and I don't know. My family celebrates Christmas. We always do, but we have never set up a Christmas tree. So typically, this is we have in Sunday school, but now at home, never. This will be my first ever to like do it alone, and hope it turns out great. I have a friend who might help me, but I'm not sure. But yeah, so got things, the decorations and whatever, I just got them blindly. What looked like something I would want. So I got this. Also got this. I don't know where I'm going to have that, but yeah. Oh, also got this water from China Square as well. I was thirsty, but by the time I got outside, I drank something else, and I was not thirsty anymore. Also got these ones. I have the idea in my head. I hope it turns out great. So this one, Pandamat had bought these because their choices of this were not great. So I had opted for this instead. But now once I got that thing, I don't know the names, guys, and going to the receipt it's too much work. So this one, I'll figure out where this will go as well. But yeah, I had gotten this as well from Pandamat before I went to Pandamat and then China Square. So when I went to China Square, I saw this and this looked more cute and more minimalistic than this. But we will find a way and see where that goes. Then also got this ribbon that I'll be wrapping the boxes and stuff or things that I want to wrap for down the tree or something. I don't know, but I'll need that ribbon as well. I say as well a lot. I need to stop. Oh, I got this is a diffuser. I got it from is it a diffuser or what? Humidifier, yes, from Pandamat. I think that's it from Pandamat. I think actually that's it says. These are the stuff that I got for the decorations. As I said, I intend to add more, but I first want to see how this turns out because I also don't want it to be so overwhelming. So I intend to first try them out and see how they turn out, and then I'll see what I can add. So I guess we'll see each other in the next vlog when I'm decorating, or maybe this one. I don't know, but let's see how it goes. Bye.